Yo, what's up, tech fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a desktop that's smaller than your lunchbox, but hits harder than most $3,000 rigs. This is Apple's M5 Mac Mini. And spoiler alert, it's not just an upgrade, it's a straight-up desktop revolution. M5 chip next-gen power, the M5 chip, Apple's first Mac Mini processor built on their all-new 3nm architecture. More power, less heat, way more efficiency, that you're getting an 18-core CPU that's 12 performance cores plus 6 efficiency cores, IT tears through code compilation, video rendering, and even AI model training without breaking a sweat. And the GPU? Oh boy, up to 40 GPU cores. That's console-level gaming, real-time 8K editing, and 3D rendering inside something that fits in your backpack. Now add in a 64-core neural engine-native AI acceleration for TensorFlow, CoreML, PyTorch, no external GPU required. This isn't just a speed bump, this is a desktop supercar running macOS Sequoia. Who is this for? This isn't just for Mac geeks, this thing is for anyone serious about performance. Developers and engineers run VMs, compile large projects, train AI models fast. Content creators 8K exports in Final Cut Pro, massive Logic Pro sessions, real-time rendering in Blender or Cinema 4D lag is gone. AI enthusiasts train models locally with CoreML and PyTorch. Forget the GPU tax. Gamers Apple's game porting toolkit is legit. Pair that with 40 GPU cores, and you've got real high FPS potential. Everyday power users want future-proof, whisper quiet, blazing fast performance. Boom. Price and value killer deal. Base model M5 18GB RAM, 512GB at desserts by $719. Fully spec'd out 40-core GPU, 128GB RAM, 8TB SSD, only $1. For $99, that's half the price of a Mac Studio and still crushes most $3,000 Windows desktops. You're not just saving money, you're investing in a future-proof setup with Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, and macOS Sequoia's AI features baked into M5 versus the world Intel nukes. Destroyed in efficiency and AI performance. Mac Studio, the M5, gives you 90% of the power at half the cost. Custom PCs? Sure, you can build one, but it won't be this quiet, this small, or this AI-ready. Desktop performance is no longer a big box game. The M5 Mac Mini changes the rules. Launch and final verdict October 2025, most likely at Apple's fall event. Late October or early November, just in time to dominate holiday tech wish lists. Final verdict if you want next-gen power in a silent, compact, affordable form, this is it. Whether you're a creator, coder, gamer, or just want the best value in desktop computing, the Mac Mini M5 is a beast in disguise. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm replying to the best takes. Smash that like button if you're hyped for the M5 era. Subscribe and turn on that bell. We got benchmark tests, thermal breakdowns, AI workflows, and hands-on reviews coming soon. Until next time, stay upgraded, stay creative, and stay ahead of the curve. Peace out, tech fam.